Okay. I will read a verse in first Exodus chapter 3 verse 13 and 14. But on chapter 6, 1 to 3 aton ini basahon responsive reading, and also Jeremiah chapter 9 verse 23 and 24. In Exodus chapter 3 verse 1, 13 and 14, nasa hindi, and Moses said unto God, Behold, when I come unto the children of Israel, I shall say unto them, The God of your fathers hath sent me unto you, and they shall say unto me, What is his name? What shall I say unto them? And God said unto Moses, I am that I am. And he said, Thou shalt thou say unto the children of Israel, I am hath sent me unto you. Exodus chapter 6, verse 1 to 3. In verse 1, I will read, come at verse 2, and in verse 3. Atong inidurong anong pagbasa. Nasinidi, Then the Lord said unto Moses, Now shalt thou see what I will do to Pharaoh, for with a strong hand shall he let them go, and with a strong hand shall he drive them out of his land.
And God spake unto Moses. God said unto him, I am the Lord.
In verse 3, ready, go.
And I appeared unto Abraham, unto Isaac, and unto Jacob in the name of God Almighty, but by name Jehovah was I not known to them.
Jeremiah chapter 9, verse 23 and 24. Again, verse 23, Jeremiah chapter 9, verse 23 and 24. Nasinidi, verse 23, I will read the verse. Then in verse 24, aton inidurong anong kagbasa. Jeremiah 9:23, Thus saith the Lord, Let not the wise man glory in his wisdom, neither let the mighty man glory in his might, let not the rich man glory in his riches. But in verse 24, we did read,
But let him that glorieth in this, that he understand and knoweth me, that I am the Lord, which
exercise loving kindness,
judgment and righteousness in the earth. For the things I like, saith the Lord.
At Diyos, magpanalangin ang atong ibasa, please